Hey, hello. Welcome to Chef D's Home Cooking. Thanks for joining me tonight. Tonight I'm gonna be doing something very awesome. Awesome. I've been getting these requested for this recipe. Tonight we're gonna do some jerk chicken and we're gonna do some peas and rice. It's gonna be one awesome recipe. So I want y'all to just come ride along with me, comment. Don't forget to subscribe before we get started. Hit that subscribe button and like this video, and please share it with all your friends. And we're gonna get started right here. We got all the ingredients here. We got some garlic. We got an onion I'm gonna dice up real fine. I got some browning sauce. I got a little soy sauce. I got some onion powder, garlic powder. I got some thyme. And they normally use fresh, but you know what? This don't matter. I'm gonna use dry thyme. And I got some Cajun seasoning here, like salt, pepper, and other spices. And I got some of this jerk seasoning right here, authentic, the best ever. So it's called Waffle Wood. This a minute right here. We're not gonna use the whole jar, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I got some chicken that I made. I've already been washing clean. I got thighs, some got skin, some don't. I got wings. I got the breast, a few legs. Okay? We're gonna start out by, we always gonna season the chicken first. We're gonna add this in, our spices in there. About a tablespoon each, not much. We got some garlic powder, teaspoon. Got some onion powder, teaspoon. We got some dry thyme, a teaspoon. We got some browning sauce. Okay, I mixed it all up. I put it in the black skillet. We gonna bake it in the oven over 350 degrees for about an hour and 15 to 1 hour and 30. This is what it looks like after I season it. We're gonna put it in the oven now. Jerk chicken. Okay. We're gonna move over to the stove. And we're gonna work on these peas and rice. I'm gonna let my man get on the camera. He's gonna stand right here. And he's gonna do exactly what I asked him to do. We got a pot heating up right now. We're about to make some peas and rice. The first thing I'm gonna do, I got a can of, but a lot of people use dry beans, but I'm gonna use these red kidney beans. A lot of people use scotch bonnet peppers, bag it up, and green onion. But I'm using the jalapeno. I need this. I got some coconut milk, and I got 1 cup of rice, and canned beans. I got 1 cup of chicken broth. Right now we're gonna go on and open up the beans and heat them up. The juice in here, you can consider that. You gotta be careful when you mix the rice. So every cup of rice, 2 cups of water. So make the adjustment. Hot is hot. You definitely want to get that out of there. So we just put that in there. And that's right there. Okay, we're gonna heat it up. You can't come. Put a new cameraman. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this going. We're gonna throw a jalapeno pepper in there. We're gonna put these green onions in there. We're gonna get that stirring up. We're gonna add some salt. Only salt and pepper in here. And pepper. We're gonna mix that around until we come to a ball. And we're gonna add the coconut milk. This organic coconut milk. Let's give it a few minutes. So when it comes to a ball, we add the milk and the rice. And that's what they call peas and rice. Actually, it's red beans, but a lot of them use fresh beans, but hey, we gonna do this real fast. I mean, you can use beans in a can, as long as you get a good product. We'll jack it up. Right here we got 1 cup of rice. Maybe not much, maybe a little bit more. And we're gonna add some coconut milk in. And this are spinach, peas and rice. Like I said, in my recipe I use a jalapeno. In their recipe they use a Scotch bonnet pepper. Real spicy. We wait on the ball. Once again, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so I can continue cooking great recipes. This is my 82nd recipe, and I'm trying to hit that milestone of 100. Right now we're going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. Next I'm up to, and we're going to add the rice in. Won't miss nothing. And right there, once it comes to a ball, we're gonna put the lid on. Give them a good look, Chris. We'll put it right over it. There we go. And this is gonna cook just like we cook a pound of rice. 45 minutes. Once it comes to a ball. Great seasoning. That's gonna be awesome. Once it comes to a ball, we're gonna put the lid on it. And that's jalapeno pepper. Don't think it's gonna be that spicy. It won't be that spicy. But it's gonna be awesome. And the green onion. And we're gonna add this garlic in there. Totally forgot about them. Just stir that around. All y'all can smell this. I'm not making this up, folks. It's gonna be one awesome dish. I try to get it authentic as I can with the best ingredients. So we're gonna lower it down, and we're gonna put a lid on it. And I'll show y'all and when we're done, I'll show y'all the finished product of the jerk chicken with peas and rice. Thank y'all for watching Chef D's Home Cooking. Okay, welcome back to the finishing product of the jerk chicken. This is what we got right here. Came out awesome. Welcome back to Chef D's Home Cooking. This is the jerk chicken. It just finished up in the oven. I'm gonna plate up some. It came out awesome. The rice, the peas and rice came out awesome. That just tastes really good. We're gonna serve up some. Once again, like this video. This is an awesome video. We're gonna take some of this and we're gonna just do it like so, like that. And we're gonna take a, let's see, we're gonna take maybe a wing. And let's see what else we got. Try a piece of thigh. And so then we could put up here. I'll try one. See if we can make it right. Gonna make this a beautiful plate. And try a leg here. And maybe another thigh here. Just like so. And we're gonna get this out the way. And we're gonna decorate it with green onion. Once again, the chicken was baked at 350 degrees, about an hour and 30 minutes. And like I said, just the finishing product. It didn't take the rice and peas for 45 minutes. You can absolutely do it just like you do regular rice. You can also cook it in your rice steamer or rice pot. It's come out great. So, we'll get this out the way. Give y'all a better look, closer look. Right there. Gonna wipe the plate out a little bit, make sure it's clean. Take some green onion, like so. Okay. And this again is Chef D's jerk chicken and rice and peas. We're gonna give it a try. Find a fork. Okay. We're gonna see what it's like. Try some of this rice. Like so. That's awesome. Try a piece of the chicken. Real tender. Look at it. Jerk chicken. Awesome. Can't make this up. Man, that's awesome. This is so good. Got a little bite to it. Really good. I'm not gonna eat much because it's 9:30 at night. I'm just finishing this up. Man, it got so much flavor in this. Oh my God. Comment on this one. Please share it. And if you got any dishes you want me to prepare here on my YouTube channel, please comment. Share this video. Like this video. And subscribe to my video so I can continue making great dishes like this. Once again, we have oven jerk chicken with peas and rice. Authentic Jamaican food. Mostly everything on here was organic. So this is what we have right here. Let me give y'all a closer look. And that's it right there, folks. Chef D's home cooking. Thank y'all for watching. Continue to watch. Share this video. Chef D's home cooking. Thank you. Have a great night.